Hi, and welcome to a demonstration of Financial Risk Profiler, or FRP, by Datanomers. Because Datanomers inherits its natural language processing technology from its parent IPsoft, FRP is powered by Amelia's world-class NLP platform. Let's take a brief tour to introduce the sophisticated NLP platform that hosts FRP. This is the NLP spectrum, starting with rudimentary RPA and chatbots, traversing through popular virtual assistants like Amazon Alexa and Apple Siri, and ultimately graduating to a virtual agent. So, a virtual agent is a sophisticated NLP machine that's context aware and conversationally intelligent. It can handle inbound calls from a customer for a contact center. The NLP platform that can support a virtual agent has a very rarefied presence of technologies. The only ones available on the market today are IBM Watson and our own IPsoft Amelia. That's why FRP can do the things that we'll demonstrate. Leveraging Amelia's world-class NLP, FRP mines billions of internet sites to build the credit risk profile for an SME or consumer, scoring it for actionable intelligence. If you need to perform credit risk assessment, due diligence, or simply know and understand your customer better, FRP is the best platform to utilize. Financial Risk Profiler is for everyone and anyone. Whether you're a bank, distributor, manufacturer, commercial landlord, financial institution, or simply providing services or credit to the SME customers, FRP identifies the risk quickly to do so. Using NLP, Risk Profiler mines the internet for leading indicator data and augments it with financials, then uses anomaly detection to help you make better loan decisions. I would also like to introduce you to FRP's ecosystem of solutions, spawned from the foundational FRP engine to solve many challenges across many different industries. We're going to talk about FRP Productive in this presentation, but these are the high-level incarnations of FRP. The Portfolio Lifecycle Monitor, or PLM solution, manages a portfolio of borrowers. The Standardized Industry Classification, or FRP-SIC solution, mines information about the type of business from the internet and provides the industry classification code. The FRP Business Status solution mines information about whether the business is closed temporarily or permanently during the COVID pandemic. All the rich qualitative information extracted from the internet is quantified by FRP, so it's ready for building predictive analytics models. That's exactly what FRP Predictive combines with traditional financial indicators to predict defaulters. We've seen in our customer deployments that FRP was able to reduce defaults by 5 to 15%. Our channel partners include IPsoft, Oracle, Microsoft, and Equifax. The use cases for Risk Profiler are innumerable, but right here we have 9. Highlighting a few, this helps you substantially increase underwriter productivity by automation by about 10 to 15%, enact targeted marketing for business solicitation, reduce defaulters, and onboard merchants faster. It continually monitors your loan portfolio for proactive notifications in real time to assess the risk of doing business with an SME customer. FRP is an extremely versatile platform that has unlimited use cases. Any industry that needs to do credit checks, increase efficiency and productivity, and perform risk analysis on an entity needs FRP. And as you can imagine, that's every single industry. The first thing you want to do on the FRP site is to log in. Risk Profiler is extremely simple and intuitive to use. The only two mandatory fields are the business name and the zip code where the business is located. So to be clear, the business name is the DBA, or the Doing Business As name, and not the legal name. The DBA is typically the name that businesses use for sales, marketing, and advertising. If you do have a legal name, owner name, etc. to enter, you can go ahead and enter it into the advanced search. The owner name is preferable, but not required. The rest of the fields are completely optional. FRP is about productivity gains with minimal information. So I'll just go ahead and enter my business name that we're looking at. So FRP just went out and analyzed billions of points on the web. This process usually takes anywhere from 60 to 90 seconds to populate. There are also multiple countries supported outside of the US, so UK, Canada, Australia. Any business in those countries is supported. So right here we see the confidence score. This is the AI's confidence in telling you that it found what you were looking for with, say, 95% confidence. This business match confidence score is an overall confidence, which is rolled up from the confidence scores of the data feeds, registration, social media, and website, which I'll walk you through in a second. So right here, the first tab is the dashboard. This just gives you a high-level summary of contact, company information, and alerts. Next is data feed. This provides key highlights from a compilation of information from various private data feed sources. Such sources are not available publicly on the internet, and accessing such sources usually requires registration or subscription on a fee basis that FRP does not need you to subscribe to. The registrations pulls all of the information from the SOS or Secretary of State portal and summarizes it for you in an easy to read format. Social media pulls all relevant social media links for you to get a quick view. The sentiment tabs gives you a summary of the sentiment analysis performed using NLP technology, consolidating sentiments of reviews from multiple sources. So a lot of fraud is set up through fraudulent websites, and the website tab gives you key metrics on identifying risk for the business really quickly. Risk analytics is one of the most powerful parts of FRP. It pulls articles related to the business in the given geography, performs NLP analysis to detect noteworthy findings about the business or its owners, and then categorizes them into negative, positive, or general references. And finally, the geographic stats gives you crime and economic indicators of the area that the business is in to help you get an understanding of location risk. FRP also allows you to download the entire risk profile into a PDF report. All the modules from this comprehensive profile we'll review on the portal are available in the FRP report. Also, open up the downloaded PDF and you can quickly skim through the chapters and then easily share it with the rest of your company or the rest of your team. After going through this demo of Financial Risk Profiler, I want you to go home with a couple of key takeaways. First of all, FRP is the foremost platform to improve productivity gains and save time. It mines billions of internet sites in just minutes to build the credit risk profile for your SME or consumer and scores it for actionable intelligence all in under 2 minutes. So you can see how it substantially increases underwriter productivity by automation. Next, it performs automated due diligence. Every step of your process can be automated through REST and JSON APIs by just uploading spreadsheets of your portfolio. At the end of the day, you get a report with neatly formatted information. No need to spend hours organizing and consolidating all the information you find online. Next, it has unlimited use cases like we talked about earlier. Any industry that needs to do credit checks and increase efficiency and productivity in the process needs FRP. FRP is currently deployed at many financial institutions, including banks, credit unions, and alternative lenders for productivity gains and for predicting loan defaults. It also gives you real-time insights of leading indicators and not the retroactive reports from reporting agencies that are usually manually refreshed every 4 weeks. No one except data nomers has NLP capability to mine the billions of websites in real time like FRP does. That's our biggest differentiator. FRP provides real-time leading indicator insights because of our world-class Amelia NLP capabilities. It also can predict loan defaults. Using NLP to mine the internet for leading indicator data and augmenting it with the financials, it uses anomaly detection for better loan decisions and predicting defaults before they come. And lastly, Risk Profiler has cradle to grave support. This helps you with targeted marketing for business solicitation. It reduces defaulters. It means faster onboarding of merchants. It means continual monitoring for loan portfolio for proactive notifications. The FRP platform gives and assists you in due diligence and risk assessment at every stage of your loan portfolio, from pre-qualification to productivity gains, to predicting loan defaults, all by automating risk assessment. And once your loan is approved and closed, FRP still monitors your loan portfolio throughout the loan's lifecycle for ongoing risk through something called Portfolio Lifecycle Monitor, which we'll demo in the next video. If you have questions, need further information, or if you would like a live detailed demo on FRP, please don't hesitate to contact us at sales@datanumbers.com. We promise to get back to you within one business day. Thank you so much for watching.